So in this example, we are going to discuss about the useful functions. So whatever
Yes.
functions we have discussed so far, that is
Okay.
user-defined functions and some other functions we have discussed.
Okay.
So in this example or in this class, we are going to discuss few other important predefined functions. Okay.
Okay.
So one of the function is enumerate. We already discussed about enumerate.
Enumerate.
If you want to
Yes.
get a index along with the value, you can use enumerate. Okay.
Yes.
So in this example, we have taken one list. Fruits is a list. Okay, list
Okay.
of strings, list of fruits here. Correct.
Yeah.
So now we are applying enumerate function on list of fruits. So what it does is it will generate index for each element of a list. Correct.
Yeah.
Then by using in operator you can get one element at a time from the list. So initially it will return a apple along with
Apple.
its index.
Yes.
Okay. Let me clear the output. See. So here this is output: 0 apple, 1 banana, 2 cherry. So
Yeah.
0 1 2 are the indexes which we are able to generate by using enumerate function. But initially there was no indexes. We have only list. Correct.
Yes. Yeah.
Now let us see the next function zip. It will combine multiple lists. See how many lists we have here:
Two list.
names and ages.
Ages.
So each list has three elements.
Yes.
Okay. Now by using zip function we can combine two lists such a way that it will generate list of tuples. Okay. So here Kishore and 25 is a one tuple. Rahul 30, this is another tuple. Maya 28, this is third tuple. So
Yeah.
total three tuples will be generated inside a list. Okay. And with the help of in operator, we can retrieve one element at a time from a list. Correct. Zip is a
Okay.
function which generates a list of tuples. I have already explained you what each
Yes.
tuple contains. Right. So in function will return one tuple. In the tuple we have two values. Yeah. What are those? Name and age. That is the
Age.
reason why we have taken two variables, n
Variables.
comma a. Okay. So name would be assigned to n, age would be assigned to a,
A.
and finally we are displaying the result.
Yes.
See, this is output. Okay.
Okay.
Then in the next example, if you want to see what is output that is being generated by zip function, what is the format after applying zip on two lists? Okay, we will see here. So we have two lists, names and ages, and we are applying zip function on the lists. Then whatever result we are getting, we are converting that into list.
List format.
Okay,
Okay.
see the output. So we have a list of tuples.
Yes.
Then the next one, tuples list is a variable which is an empty list.
Okay.
Then we have applied zip function on the two lists. Then finally we are appending uh, n comma a, which is a tuple here. We are converting it to a tuple. Correct.
Yeah.
N and a are the individual variables, but we are converting that into tuples here. So each tuple is assigned to a list.
Okay.
Okay. Then we are displaying the result. See, this is the result. So this is a first tuple, second, third. So this is where we are assigning each tuple to empty list.
Um, one doubt here.
Yeah,
We are getting same output in the above code as well, right?
correct, correct. So what is the difference between previous one and this one? In the previous
So
one, we explicitly converting into list.
list.
All the
Okay.
values we are converting at a time into a list.
List.
Here, I have shown you how to process individual elements because see, in real time, we don't know what kind of scenario you will get. Okay, after
Okay.
converting a list of tuples, how can I access them individually? Okay,
Okay.
these are the different ways of handling the data.
Okay.
Okay, if you see first example, we are not storing anywhere, we are just displaying.
Yes.
In the second example, I want to preserve the result into a variable. Okay, so you can
Yeah.
use this format. So you will have all the values into a
Same.
single list.
Yes.
Okay, then you can process this data. Another, in this example, we are handling each tuple individually and storing it on a tuple. Okay, you may have some scenario like let's say I want to only uh, retrieve the person whose age is greater than or equal to 28 years, if I say.
Okay.
Okay, then I can insert a condition over here which checks the age. If the age is satisfying the given condition, then only I will put
Append
that in
those
a list.
values in empty list.
Yeah. So this is how in real time scenarios we will handle the data.
Okay.
Okay. So to understand that better, I have given you multiple examples on this.
Okay.
Okay. Then coming to unzip, this is a reverse of zip. Okay.
Okay.
So when we apply zip operation on multiple lists, what it was doing, it is just combining the multiple lists into a
Multiple
single
list.
list of
Yes.
tuples. Okay. Now this is a reverse operation. So you are given list of tuples, but from this list of tuples, I want to separate uh, into two lists. Okay, X, Y, Z is one list, 1, 2, 3 is the other
Multiple
list.
is another list.
Okay, so this is called unzipping. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
now pairs is a list of tuples, right? If you want to unzip, you need to use this kind of a syntax star variable name. Okay, so when
Okay.
you apply this syntax, what it does is it will convert the data from this syntax. This is what your initial data, correct? So
Yeah.
that is converted into this format. Okay. Then this data will be given to zip function. Now zip function will unzip it. So it will separate XYZ into one variable, then 1, 2, 3 into another variable. That is the reason why we have assigned this function to two variables. Okay.
Okay.
See the output. Letters has XYZ and numbers has 1, 2, 3.
23.
Then unpacking, how to unpack. So now you tell me what would be the output of this particular statement. We have one function pack numbers. So
Okay.
this is a variable which can handle any number of
Parameters.
parameters.
Yeah. Pass.
Okay.
Yeah.
So three parameters we are passing. Okay. All these three parameters are stored in the variable nums. Okay.
Okay.
Now see how it handles. So it has three values which are converted into a tuple, correct? Tuple
Okay.
of
Yeah.
three values, 10, 20, 30. But initially, these are all the individual values.
Yeah.
three values we are passing, which means three parameters we are passing, which are all integer type: 10, 20, 30. 10 is one number, 20 is a second number, 30 is a third number. Three individual numbers we are passing. Okay.
Okay.
When we use arbitrary arguments, it will store all these inputs into a list. Sorry, tuple. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the reason why you are getting this output. A tuple with three values. Okay. If I send only two values, then the tuple
Mm,
has two
two
values.
values.
Then in the second example, you already know this part.
Yeah. Keywords with values.
Yes. So we are passing two parameters. This is the name of the parameter. This is a value.
Value.
Kishore is a value. Course is the name of the parameter, and Python is the name of the value. Okay. Now
Okay.
these are converted into a dictionary. See, this is a dictionary with the name is a key and Kishore is a value. Course
Value.
is a key and Python is a value. Okay. Now up to this part, these two examples. This is a recap of how to uh,
Pack.
map, pack.
Yeah.
So now we will see how to unpack. Okay. So 10, 20, 30. This is a list of integers.
Yeah.
List of integers. This is a single value. List is a single variable. Correct?
Yes.
List is a single variable which has elements. Three elements we have. Okay.
Okay.
So now if I assign a list to variables a comma b comma c, these are the three variables. Now what will happen? Each element of a list is assigned to one variable.
Yes.
Now this list is converted into individual variables, individual values. Okay.
Okay.
So a value is 10, b is 20, and c is 30. Now see what will happen here. Initially, I have a list of numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now
Okay.
this is where we are unpacking. We are invoking a function with unpacking. So what it does is, whatever list it has taken, it will convert them into individual values. How many values we have?
Three values.
Three values. So these three values are passed as a parameters, and they will be assigned to A, B, C. Okay.
Okay.
We are not sending entire list here.
Yes. First, we are unpacking
We
into
are
a
unpacking
variables.
into individual values, and then we are
And
passing.
passing.
Okay. This is what unpacking. And here we are finding the sum of the numbers. So the result is 6. Then unpacking a dictionary. So this is a dictionary we have with two keys and two values. Correct?
Yes.
So now this is where we are unpacking. So by this time you must understand, with the same syntax, if I use inside the function definition, then what will happen? It will pack. Correct? In the previous examples, let us go back. If you see this format,
Yeah.
so here this parameter we are using inside the function definition,
Yes.
and we are passing individual values, individual parameters.
Yes.
Now they are packed or
Okay.
uh, mapping into a dictionary. They are
Yeah.
packing. Okay. If I use a reverse way, see, we are using this syntax inside function calling, not inside function definition.
Yes.
Correct. Then in this case it will
Unpack.
unpack. So unpack the dictionary. Okay.
Okay.
So this dictionary will become two parameters. What are those parameters? Name and age will be
Names
two
and the
parameters,
age.
and Kishore and age are the values for those parameters. Okay.
Yes.
So name variable is passed to name, and age variable will be passed to age. Then what is the value of a name? There is Kishore.
Sure.
Value of age is 25.
Okay.
Those values will be displayed over here. Okay. So you must understand how to pack and how to unpack. Okay. What is
Okay.
the syntax we are supposed to use?
Okay.
This is important. Then iterable. Iterable means the variable on which we can do some iterative operations. Let's see. Lists is iterable. List is a iterable. Okay.
Okay.
And strings is iterable. Dicts is iterable. Tuples are iterables. These are the structures from which we can take one element at a time and we can do some calculations on it. Okay, those are the iterables. Understood? So
Yeah.
now in this example, we have taken a string that is a Python. Python is a string which is an iterable, and we are in this case we are taking one character at a time from the string, correct?
Yes.
And we are displaying the character.
Oh.
See, this is output.
Oh.
The next one, create an iterator using iter. Iter is a predefined function, okay, by
Okay.
using which you can create iterator. See, numbers is a
List.
list,
Okay.
okay. By using iterator, you can access the elements from list. So we have applied a iter function on the list of numbers, okay. This is a variable or a pointer you can say which can able to access the elements from the iterator.
Okay.
See, next of iterator, it will take one number. Then after after you apply again next, it will go to second element, and the next again it will go to third element. Like this, if you want to access each element from the list, you have to use the next function. Okay. So what you do is you just use the same syntax and take any real-time example and try to apply the same concept, iter function. Okay.
Okay.
See, this is output. It is a variable which is an iterator which is defined on a list. Now I
Okay.
am accessing the element from a list with the help of next function. Okay.
Okay.
So 10 you are getting. Then again, if you want to access the next element, you need to use the next function so that you will get next element that is 20. Then here you will get 30.
Yeah. I have a doubt here.
Yeah.
Uh, Actually, we are in for loop.
Hmm.
It behaves same like.
Yeah, you can.
Then
You no need
what
to
is,
create a iter there.
yeah, like what is the difference between them?
Difference means, see, if the structure you are using is a simple one, then you
Okay.
can use for loops. But if you have
Okay.
complex structures like JSON formats, nested dictionaries, okay, so there you can use iterators. Maybe that depends on your use cases.
Okay.
Okay. Even there is a nested dictionaries or JSON formats you can access by using for loop also.
Okay.
Right. But you have another way to access these kind of structures with the help of iter function also. This is a this is another way of accessing the data. Okay.
Okay.
Then you just Google if
Mm,
there
yeah.
is any advantage of using iter instead of for loop.
Yeah, I will
Okay.
check.
Maybe speed, time complexity. Okay.
Yeah.
If you have data for thousands of rows, if you apply for loop, it may take longer time than using iter function.
I
You just do some research. Okay.
sure.
Then custom iteration using iter. See, we have created a iter function. Then we are accessing each element from it. Okay. I don't see any uh, advantage over here. Then iterating dictionary items. So this example already we have seen, but let us understand what we understood so far. What is our understanding about this concept? Let us see. Okay.
Okay.
So you have two lists,
Lists.
employees and salaries.
Yes.
Okay. Now you just tell me what what is output you get here, and what is the first statement that is being executed. Then after that, what is second statement? You just explain.
Okay. So, first we are using for loop to enumerate and zip. Actually, first the two list will get into a zip,
Correct.
like like zipping as a key and values.
Hmm. Not key
Then
and value, tuples.
tuples.
Hmm.
Then it will enumerate. Enumerate means we will be getting
Hmm.
index value, index and value.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct.
So yeah, in I we are storing index, and in a tuple e comma s we are printing key and its values.
Yes.
So output will be like 0
Hmm.
comma a comma 10,000
Correct.
to 1 comma b comma 20,000,
Yes.
2 commas comma 30,000.
Yeah, that's correct. So first it will apply zip function so that you will get a list of tuples.
Tuples.
Okay. Then we are applying enumerate, which would give you
Yeah,
index
index.
along with the value. Here the value is a tuple.
Yeah.
Then this one, it is also same, right?
Yes.
I think they are the same example. Seems.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is end of the class.